My dear students of class 5A, welcome to my GK class. Today I am going to introduce you some points. The points are known to you because already from different lessons I have taught it. Now from these lessons I would like to write something in the board. You have to recall it. Which answer should be written. Now practice it. Now take one sit with one classwork copy and write it down. Which things I am writing in the board, whiteboard. What things I am writing in the board, you please take it down in your classwork copies. All of you sit with your classwork copies and practice it with me. Now first point I am going to write, that is first point, which instrument is popular in Russia? Which instrument is popular in Russia? Which instrument is popular in Russia? That is balal ka. Balalaika. Then where do Hindus go to worship? 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 Temples. Clear? The next one. Where do the Christians go to worship? They go to worship church. They go to worship to the church. And next one, we should always talk politely over the telephone. We should always talk. We should always talk politely. We should always talk politely over the telephone. We should always talk politely over the telephone. That is true or false? That is true. That is true. We should always talk politely over the telephone. And next point, next one, the dash the India. D dash the national tree of India. What is it? That is banyan tree. Banyan tree is the national tree of India. So by this way, my dear students, you have to practice yourself in your own copies by writing the sentences, and you have to write answer in your copies and then compare it, then compare with your answer to your book whether the answers you have written in your copies are correct or incorrect. So practice yourself, all of you practice yourselves in your classwork copies like this way. For example, I am telling you more points. You just take it down in your copies and practice yourself. Which is the highest dam in India? Which is the highest dam in India? You recall it because already I have taught it. Which is the highest dam in India? You recall it. Don't open your book and don't find out the answers. Okay? And recall it and write answer. Then at last you compare it whether the answer was right or wrong. And next question for you: which tree is mainly used making furniture and doors? Which tree is mainly used making furniture and door? Which trees? Only the which tree you have to write it in your copies. And where is Wankhede Stadium located? Answer I will not say, but you have to write answer. Write this moment, don't write later. And next one, where is Wankhede Stadium situated? Write answer in your classwork copies. Where is the Wankhede Stadium situated or located? And next question you write, what is the original style that Bruce Lee learned? What is the original style that Bruce Lee learned? You write the correct answer. And the next one, where is the Tehri Dam located? On which river? No, write it from the beginning. On which river the Tehri Dam is located? On which river the Tehri Dam is located? And next point, in which state Tehri Dam is located? Or name the state Tehri Dam is located. Right answer. And next one, who invented the polio vaccine? Who invented the polio vaccine? Right this moment you have to write answers. Okay, who invented the polio vaccine? Wrote, who invented the polio vaccine? Then right answer. The next one, plastics are man-made material. Plastics are man-made materials. True or false? You have to write. Plastics are man-made materials. True or false? You recall it and then write. True or false? Plastics are man-made materials. True or false? The next one, an autobiography is the real life story of a person written by someone else. True or false? First write the question. An autobiography is the real life story of a person written by someone else. An autobiography is the real life story of a person written by someone else. Is real life story of a person written by someone else. True or false? You have to write. This classwork is for you. You have to write answer and submit your copies. All of you. You must submit your copies. I would like to correct it. All the copies. And those who will not write, I would consider them a very inattentive boy, not attending the GK class, an incompetent one also. And next one, Kanishka belonged to which dynasty? Kanishka belonged to which dynasty? You have to write the correct answer. Write this moment you write. You have to write the answer right this moment. And next one, the woolly mammoths were prehistoric ancestors of elephants. It is right or wrong? True or false? The woolly mammoths were prehistoric ancestors of elephants. True or false? You have to write. The next one. When was the United Nations founded? When was the United Nations founded? When was the United Nations founded? Wrote. Okay. The next one. What is Rabab? R-A-B-A-B. What is Rabab? What is Rabab? Wrote. What is Rabab? Okay. Now, what is a novel? What is a novel? The next one. What do you know about sabre-toothed tigers? What do you know about sabre-toothed tigers? Sabre-toothed tigers. The next one. What do you know about rubella? 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 The next one, these all are one-line answer, but you can write within one word also. No need to write in full sentence. You can write one answer. For example, the name, which dynasty did Akbar belong? You no need to write Akbar belonged to the Mughal dynasty. No need to write answer in full form, in sentence. Only you can write the name Akbar. Only one word you can write, that is Akbar. Akbar belonged to Mughal dynasty. No need to write in full form. You write Akbar. Your answer is finished. The next one. What is the cause of malaria? What is the cause of malaria? Malaria. What is the cause of malaria? The next one. Next one. Who built the Sanchi Stupa in Madhya Pradesh? Who built the Sanchi Stupa in Madhya Pradesh? And next one. Next one. Some plastics can be filled with air bubbles to make packing material. True or false? Some plastics, write it. Some plastics can be filled with air bubbles, B-U-B-B-L-E-S, air bubbles to make packing material. Some plastics can be filled with air bubbles to make packing material. True or false you have to write. True or false. True or false. You write beside the sentence, you write true oblique false. Then which one is correct? You tick. You put a tick mark on it. Okay. You put a tick mark like it is true. Put a tick mark on true, or it is false. Put a tick mark on false. Understood? Like this. So these are today's discussion. You answer it in your classwork copies, since I am conducting this class and giving you this classwork. So you write the answers in your classwork copies and must submit your classwork copies when you are next time you are supposed to submit your copies. You must send it to your guardians. Thank you.